Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So lately I have been hearing a lot of things about this Earth 2. So what is Earth 2 and how does it work? So why is it getting so much of popularity in this very short time? Let's find out. Let's dive into the computer and see what actually is Earth 2 and why is it getting so much of popularity. And is it worth investing in Earth 2 or not? We'll find out.
Let's go to R2 and see what is it. R2.io. Okay, so we are in the main homepage of R2. So this is R2. Let's see what are there. R2 buy land option, marketplace, leaderboard, how to, about, our team, contact, login and sign up. Let's go and see about first. You can see all this percentage that's rising up. That looks pretty high. And these are the land prices on the top, the tile prices. So what is it about? Earth 2 is the beginning of our world's future virtual existence. And today you have a chance to own part of this incredible future. Okay, this seems exciting. So what is this exactly? Earth 2 terrain, Earth 2 web app, mobile app. As I have understood, R2 is basically a virtual game where you can buy the plot of land that is divided into 1 to 1 scale or 10 by 10, which you can buy by paying the price. So this is the price of individual tile or individual grid. We'll go and see how it looks in a while. So R2 terrain. So the Earth2 terrain engine is able to render the entire Earth with extreme terrain and vegetation detail not seen before in any game. So this is basically a game where the Earth2 is a game and it resembles the Earth, the real Earth. So you will find exactly same road, same place, and everything will be same that is in the real world. And you can actually buy the places like you would buy in the real world, like you will buy a land in the real world. So this is basically in the first phase. So they have just got R2 web app at the moment and they haven't got the mobile app yet. Okay, let's see on how to add credit card using PayPal system, how to buy land using balance. So we'll see all this while doing it practically. How to change the username, how to find our own referral code. So the good thing about R2 at the moment is the price of the land is pretty low, and also you can use the referral code and you can get some money. For example, if you have a friend and who has got an account in R2, and if you are joining R2 as a new user, you can use the referral code of your friend. Then when you are buying a land, you can gain the money, some percentage of money, and your friend will get some percentage of money. It is probably as a promotion thing that R2 is doing, but maybe in the long run they will remove it, and you can use the referral code as much as time you like. So this is pretty awesome at the moment. So how to sell land, how to search for land on map. Okay, let's go and create a login first. Okay, so I have already created a login, so I am logged in and I have got some lands and some areas. So let's see how we can do. So at one time you can just buy 750 tiles. So let's go and search for Australia. Okay, when you are searching for Australia, it's showing all the deserts. So these are the tiles. So this individual things, when you zoom in, you can see. So these are one tile. So one tile cost Okay, this has been bought by all this flags. What it shows is it has been bought by people living in this country. So these are the Australian flag. You can see US flag, and I don't know which country flag is this one. So let's go to a place where you can actually see properly. So let's go to Melbourne. Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Okay, so this is the city area in Melbourne. So you can see that people has already bought these places, and as you scroll down you can see the places you want to buy, or you can zoom out a little bit and see. Okay, see all the places has been already bought. So these places have been already bought. I am just going further away to see if there is any empty slots. So these are already bought. People have left this road. I don't know why, but yeah, they haven't been buying the road. So let's see. Oh my god, they have already bought so many. Oh. Okay, so here we can see the empty grids. So you can buy in these places. So what you need to do to buy a land is just search the places that you want to buy, and buy in such a places that in the real world those places are popular. What it has been told is people will intend to buy the places that is very popular in the real world. For example, for Australia, Sydney Opera House, or any mining factory area where there's potential of growth. So people will buy those places. For example, in US, all the places in New York City and Washington DC, California, the popular places has already been bought. So let's see how we can buy it. Let's choose this tile. So on this side, so let's choose one tile. So on this side you will see the price per tile, total price, and tile selected. So we have just selected one tile, so the price is 1. So you can select 750 tiles at once. So if I select 2 3, so it's 133. So I'll just select something for 50. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to click on detail, go on buy now. So this is the rate at the moment. So this is the market value, and this is the buy now price. So this is almost same, but this will rise. So this place is South Bank in Victoria. Let's click on buy now. So this is a referral code I have. If you want to use, you can use it. Applied, and see, you can see here the active referral code is applied by default. You will be credited $2.53. So what happens is if you buy more lands, more tiles of more price, you will be credited with more money. So what I'll do is I'll just use PayPal to pay it. So I have already logged into my PayPal, so it will be easy for me to buy. So pay now. I'm just pressing pay now. So done. Processing. So done. So I have bought these 8 tiles in South Bank, Victoria. Now let's see what you can see. Profiles. So in profiles you can see what you have bought, what you haven't bought, countries. So these are the things you have to look at. So look at this. United States, USA has got the tiles value rising pretty high, 36,555%. That is humongous percent. So Switzerland is coming up, Mexico is coming up. So the price of tile is 2.952 in Mexico, but the price of tile is 36.655 in United States. So these are the international territories. This can be anywhere. So what you need to do is you need to go on marketplace, see. So these are the places where the tile value is very low. This is the international territory. You can select any places. Tile value low to high, high net worth. So probably this is not working. Let's go and just see on this one who are the leaderboards. So in leaderboards you can see the players who has got the most tiles. So they are from USA. So this person has got the most tiles. You can see the profile. So he has bought Rwanda Lake. What class is this one? Let's see. So this is the land class 1. So it is current market value is 22.95 and it's been rising from 21.43. He has bought it for 18.90. Now it's the price of land is 22.95. So you can see a pretty good profit. So I'll show you my personal one as well, how it looks. Just give me a second. So I have bought these places. So all the places has been rising. So South Bank, I had just bought a South Bank while making this video. I bought it for 50.69 and it's already the price has already gone up to 50.84. So likewise all the prices has been going up. So what happens is once this is the first page and the price of land is pretty low. So if you buy now, you will get land in low price, but there's a limited number of land that's available. So once the all lands are sold, probably there will be the next phase coming up where you can build the buildings, and if somebody builds a building on your land, you can get the rent and those things. So there are many things that you can actually get. What the creator had told about Earth 2 is it is basically the combination of Matrix and Ready Player One movie, something like that. So it seems pretty interesting. It's like a stock market too, but it's a game. So if you have any questions, you can click on frequently asked question or comment below, and if I can help, I will give you the answers. So these are the founders who made this game. So you can read here how it is classified. And this game launched just I think last year in December, and it's just January and it's getting so much of popularity. So probably it will be something like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. You never know what happens in this time. So what I recommend is don't miss this opportunity. Just go and research. It's not that hard. It's like buying something in Kmart or any retail shop. But don't use your money. I don't recommend using your money if you have to pay your credit cards or any other thing. Just use your money that you don't need or that you have on the extra side. Please let me know how you feel about this Earth 2 and what you think this Earth 2 is. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.